Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a BMW 5 Series generation F10 F11 guys. If you need to remove or replace trunk lock actuator, stay with us, we'll explain how to do that in this video today. If the trunk lock actuator is bad, what you can experience, the trunk will not lock or unlock, it may not even close or it may not open. All that we'll be covering in this video today, how to remove it, how to replace it. Make sure to stay until the end. Before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us guys. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart, we show you how to fix pretty much anything. Why we do that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need guys in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video. That way we can keep making these free videos and we can guys provide helpful information. If you need to buy any parts, tools at a really good price and quick shipping, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tools and supplies from. So first, in order to remove the trunk lock actuator on that BMW 5 Series guys, we'll first need to remove the trunk liner. Okay, we're talking about that trunk liner right here. You can see this is the one right here. If you guys want to see how to remove trunk liner step by step, we have the complete video on the channel. There is 4 hidden screws, and if you don't remove those, you can actually damage your trunk liner and you will not be able to replace the trunk lock actuator. So check out, if you, for any of you that don't know how to do that, how to remove trunk liner on BMW F10. So let's continue after that. This is guys your trunk lock actuator on your BMW 5 Series. You can see that's the trunk lock actuator. It's very important to see where it used to be. Some of those might have adjustment, some don't. This is the device right here. It's very important to hold it once you get it loose so it doesn't drop and you don't damage your wires. So torque sturdy in our case, start looking bit. We'll put the link in the description, the link below, where you can get parts and tools from at a really good price guys, and quick shipping as well. And here guys, we'll need to pre-loosen them by hand because sometimes you may even have a thread locker. I don't think these ones do because we'll see now in a second. The way they're going, it's pretty easy. Let's see, do they have blue thread locker? Nope. I'll hold it on the second one. Perfect, okay. Now, you can see that trunk lock actuator will come towards the back right here and we'll need to disconnect the wire. This is guys the wire. Okay, here do not pull for the wires itself because if you do, okay, you can damage it. So I'm going to go here with a small screwdriver. Okay, and let's pull. Perfect. And it came out. You can see trunk lock actuator is out of there. So you can see guys, that's how you remove the trunk lock actuator on that BMW guys 5 Series. Adjustment, it's very minimum here, but you do still have some, you can see, but some of those may have wider holes depending on the model, okay, and all that stuff. Practically putting it together, everything is in reverse order. We took it apart. If you want to see how to test trunk lock actuators, we have videos on the channels as well, how to rebuild them, how to fix trunk lock actuators. Okay, we'll have all that on the channel. Hopefully the video will be helpful to any of you trying to find this information. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.